Hello everyone, here's Navjot. I'm here to help you in making the cue card. And our new cue card is describe something or someone that made a lot of noise. And our sub questions are who or what made the noise? What was the noise like? What did you feel about it? Sometimes students feel very difficulty while making the cue card or preparing the cue card in 1 minute. To sort out this issue, you can make a spiral diagram. To make this diagram, you must consider all the questions. Like the first one was who or what made the noise, and I consider here the noise making or troublesome making thing is generator and the construction machine. You put the main content in the circle and around it start writing the points. As you can see, I answered the first question, and our second question was what was the noise like? Now you have to answer what the noise was like. As everyone knows, the noise of the generator is very annoying or irritating. And our third question is what did you feel about it? You may answer that you felt very unpleasant. To make this cue card more than the 2 minutes, you have to make more efforts. You can add the things like how you controlled that noise and what the things at that time you did for it. You may also include some additional information like it was a matter of the last year, or you also can consider the time. You consider efforts such as shut the doors to control the distraction, and the second one played the slow music. You can also add the information such as I added when time the last year and the final examination. Now let's start our cue card. Everyone must try to add some line like journal line which will be more clear and slightly tough. Here I add a journal line. Usually, unpleasant noises are unhearable and create troublesome circumstances. And our second line is here I shed light on a situation when I suffered a lot due to high frequency of noise. And the next line is it is a matter of last year during the time of my examination. And the next line is when a generator and construction machine made noise and distracted my concentration from study. Here you can use the word diverted on the place of distracted. And the fifth line which I added here is in my neighborhood a new building was constructed. And the next one is in morning there was only high noise of construction machine, then I decided to shut windows and door of my room, but it did not work. The seventh line is further I hardly managed to focus on my study by playing the dull music. You can use the word dim on the place of dull. And the eighth line is in addition to it, during midday, due to electricity cut, they started generator which was like icing on the cake. You may use the word power on the place of electricity. And our ninth line is at last I laid down arms and closed my books. Moreover, I decided to watch a movie. And the last line is so that was the time when an annoying noise hindered my study and irritated me. So, this is the end of our cue card. And guys, please subscribe my channel Make IELTS Easy.